Hello and welcome to Angles and Acid, where we learn things maths and science, and we're continuing our fractions series. Today we're looking at subtraction. If you missed the previous video, we talked about adding, and so I'll leave you a card that you can click on just over there. So subtracting fractions, just like with adding, it's super simple if you have the same denominator. So 4/5 take away 2/5 is the same thing as 4 take 2 over 5, because they both share the same denominator. And that gives us basically 2/5 as a final answer. Let's look at something that's a bit more involved. Let's look at different denominators. So here, they're different base, and the same strategy here. We've got to convert them to the same denominator, and we use that by looking for the lowest common factor. So in this case, the lowest common factor we can convert both of them into is that we can both convert them to 15. So 5 times 3 will give me 15. Got to do the same top and bottom to make sure that my finished answer is the same equivalence as 4/5. For the other fraction, 3 times 5 will give me 15. And I've got to do the same value times 5 on top to make that equivalent. So I get an answer of 4 times 3 is 12 over 15. And then I've got 5 over 15. So 12 minus 5. That gives me an answer of 7/15. That's my final answer. Let's look at another example where it's a little bit harder again. This one here is trying to subtract mixed numbers from each other. Well, same strategy as the last video. Convert everything you can into improper fractions, and then you can worry about seeing if they have the same base, and then you basically do the subtraction step then. So let's do the mix step. Now, if you don't remember how to do this, you can go check out the video card right here where I talk about mixed numbers and how to convert them back and forwards to improper fractions. So here I'm just going to go fast. I'm going to go 5 lots of 3 and that 2. Take away 3 lots of 5 plus that 4 over 5. So this is just the improper fraction step. 5 times 3 is 15. 15, 17 over 3. Take away 3 times 5 is 15 plus 4. Gives me 19 over 5. Let me double check that. 15 plus 4. Yeah, 19. Oh, this is going to be negative, isn't it? 5 times 2. Well, we'll see how that goes. So now I've got the subtraction happening here. I can't do the subtraction straight away because I need to make sure that the bases are the same. Otherwise, this trick's not going to work. So for that, I'm going to do the lowest common factor trick. So what's the smallest number I can convert both of these values into? Well, I can convert both of them into 15. So 3 times 5 will give me 15. Do the same top and bottom. 5 times 3 will give me 15. Same top and bottom. So 17 times 5, I think I get 85. I did the math before. And 19 becomes 57. 15. Smash them together. 85 take 57. I get 28 on 15 as my answer. And from there, I can convert it into a mixed number if I wanted to, so that I can fit roughly one of those holes, and I'm going to have some remainder. So 28 minus 15, I'll get an answer of 13 over 15. So if I wanted to express my answer as a mixed number, that's the way I would do it. Next, before I leave you with to the next video, I'd like you to go at some of these problems here. So I got an easy one, which is 10/3 take away a half. See if you can do that solving using the strategies I mentioned to you in this video. And if you want something a little bit more intellectually tricky, not that hard to do, just might give you a bit of a head scratch, is 62/3 take away 3. See if you can think of a strategy to solve that one. Okay, guys, I will catch you in the next video. Bye.